look at this. Welcome again to the Wax+Wraps African print subscription box. Well, welcome to another unboxing. Hi, I'm Jacqueline Shaw and I'm the director of Wax+Wraps, your African print subscription box. And for the October box launch, I wanted to show you what we have in the box. This month is Black History Month, so you know that I'll be bringing it. As well as that, it is also Nigeria's 60th anniversary from independence. So October the 1st is a Nigerian Independence Day, and I thought, you know what, why not bring a little bit of Niger to the box? So let's jump in, let's have a look. As you can see, first of all, we've got a new box cover. Beautiful box cover, again with Ankara print. Lovely. Dive in, and as you can see inside the box, these now are going to be storytelling. I'm going to go in with this. This is really about telling you something about African heritage, African culture, and keeping it a bit of Nigeria as well. So this particular print is a wax print, and this symbol, this is what is called an Adinkra symbol. It's from West Africa. All the information is on the website, but I'm going to just showcase this to you. I'm loving this wax print that you're going to get in the box. Let's unroll that one. And as you can see, it's got a special symbol on it, and this symbol is an Adinkra symbol. Adinkra. It's a West African symbol. The name of it is Dweniman, and it means ram's horns. You can imagine, you can actually see the horns of the rams. There's supposed to be two of them kind of headbutting each other. And in that, it's talking about being strong, but being humble. Okay, I thought that's perfect. Give it a little bit of Black history for UK Black History Month. Alongside that, as I like to bring a little piece of new fabrics to you every month. So you got your wax print, so go ahead and start making with that. What do you think you can make with that? So much options. And then on top of that, I've given you this beautiful fabric that is made with a technique called Adire. This is a Nigerian textile technique. It's handmade, hand printed. This is made by skilled artisans. It's been specially commissioned to be made for you. I'm not going hard here. I'm bringing it all because I want you to have a taste of Africa, to have fun with print. So you've got your wax print, you've got your Nigerian fabric, and what else do you have? Well, let's continue to look in. So as you know, each month I do give you a pattern, a little gift, a pattern, and a bit more. Let's just dive in. So you're going to find inside a little parcel. The parcel has inside there a pattern of something that you could make with either your wax print or your Adire handmade, hand printed fabric. The choice is yours. You're also going to have in there some threads. It's going to have colors that will match your fabric, so you can choose what you want to make in that, so you can use that. All ready for you. I also give you an awesome Wax+Wraps wax print pencil. Look at that. So trademark pencils to match the box, of course. On top of that, for those who are in the club, once you get the box, you are part of the African Print Sewing Club. That is your badge there, that you can put that on and be part of the club. On top of that, I'm going to leave this one a bit of a secret. It's going to be for those who actually do get the box, because I want to just keep a little something that'll be a nice surprise for you. So that will be inside there. And you also do have access. You do get every month, you get one of my cards. These cards are from the Wax+Wraps playing card set. This has been commissioned by an amazing illustrator. She has sketched, I think, about six images that she sketched directly for Wax+Wraps, and they showcase in sewers, they showcase different artisans, batikers, printers, weavers. You need to get that whole pack. So the pack is on our website now. Go to waxandwraps.com and then hashtag and look at the shop page. Okay, go to the shop page on Wax+Wraps, and that's it. Inside there is a few extra pieces, but you need to get the box, you need to subscribe. So jump in, subscribe for the October box for Wax+Wraps, and have fun with print. I'm Jacqueline Shaw, and I'm the founder of Wax+Wraps, an African print subscription box.